Alright, so today what we're going to be doing on this truck, as I've said on the other video, we have a leveling kit for this truck. So we're going to bring the front up a couple of inches through tire clearance. I still think it's going to rub a little bit, but I had 20 by 12 33s on my 04 Dodge when I bought it, and with the leveling kit it still rubbed, so we'll see. I forgot just how nice this thing sounded though. Listen to that whistle. All right, it's not exactly the best view, but this is about the before shot. This is what it looks like. We'll get some measurements here from like here to here. It definitely rubs. I mean, I like it. I don't worry about the rub because, I mean, it is what it is. They're wide wheels. From like the top of the tread, it's just about 7.5 inches. So from the bottom there, it's like 7 3/8. So I'll remember that number, and then we'll measure it when we're done. All right, here we go. What I'm gonna have to do is lift the truck up separate so that we can get this, get the spring out, and then we got to do the shock here. You can see there's the bolt, so I'm gonna do that next. Alright guys, so the issue that we were running into is this jack that Alex bought does not actually go high enough. So what I'm gonna have to do is take a board here, 1 or 2 of these, and slap it under there so we can lift it up higher. What?
How's it going?
It's going.
Is it done yet?
Your jack's junk.
What's taking so long?
Your jack's junk.
Is it really?
Yeah. Yeah, it looks great.
Nice camping.
Yeah, look at the vise.
Oh, it flew away?
It flew away once already.
Funny.
That's why the jack stands there.
That's funny. That's cool, that's cool. Dude, it looks like you haven't even started.
Alright.
Oh, that's too funny.
Well,
Alright, cool. Well, I'm gonna go back inside. Have fun.
Yeah, gee, enjoy the AC. Alright. Spring compressor's in there, trying to figure out how that thing works. So. Alright, there's your spring and the compressor. That's still like kind of nerve-wracking that that's like a bomb, but it's safe, so it's gonna take me a minute to get used to that. Alright, yeah, once you learn how to use this thing, that's awesome. Here's your comparison. Look at that size difference. I guess we'll slap it in, see what happens. So I think this spring compressor tool was not made for putting a leveling kit in, because here you can see how big this one is. Like, I'm gonna try to line them up. And I've compressed it. We've got a ratchet on one side and the compressor tool on the outside of the other side, and that's still taller. And I know I had to compress this down pretty good, so this is kind of nerve-wracking, honestly. We need more spring compressors. All right, so here's about where we are sitting. We have the spring compressed a couple of different ways. We got the sway bar dropped. We have a few other components dropped. Oh, we got this dropped. Got here dropped, so a lot of things are loose, so I gotta go a little bit more. Might have to drop the sway bar on the other side in order to get this to come down a little farther. We're very close, so. All right, so we dropped the axle far enough that we were just able to put these in. I got rid of the spring compressors and all that, so I'm just gonna use that for easy swaps. But yeah, dropping the axle is totally the way to go. So both sides are in. So as I've stated, springs are in. This shock, I just got a bolt on the bottom, both sides, bolt back up both brake lines. Tie rod end here this needs bolted down. I keep drawing a blank on that bar. I know what it's called. my brain is just being stupid right now. It's freaking hot down here. So I gotta bolt that in too. And then throw the other shock in, and then this thing's good to go. And then we gotta start doing some other work to it because it's not all perfect. All right, so we finally got this one to line up. I threw a wheel on it, got in it, cut the wheel all the way one way, and at the very last second it shoved it this way. So that's exactly what I need. I need to lift up on the bar right there. This is a beefy bolt. My impact took like 20 seconds to slowly screw this out, so. All right, front springs are in, done. Everything's torqued down. Nothing's gonna fall off. So, made a little bit of a difference it seems. I'll go get the measuring tape and compare the numbers. But I was just worried about maybe having the Cali sag. But I don't know, it actually doesn't look bad at all, so. I'll go get the measuring tape. Actually, I think I left it in the garage. All right, let's see. Official number. It's at 9.5. Right there, 9.5 inches in the top. Let's see how it is over here. About 9.5. So there you go. Let's see what it is in the back. It's about 8.5 in the back. So 9.5 in the front, 8.5 in the back. It's about an inch lower in the back, but you really don't notice it. All right guys, so we just went on a test drive. Obviously when you put on new parts, you want to test them, make sure nothing's gonna fall off. So, yep, here we go.
So how'd the test drive go?
Went great.
Good. You took it easy, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, good.
Perfect.
All right.
Runs great.
Awesome. Bro,
We didn't-
seriously, where is it?
I don't know. No idea. What you do with
Are
it?
you recording?
Yeah.
Hold on, no record.
We haven't even left the garage yet and it's already broken down. What the hell did you do with it? Okay, so I'm filthy. I thought we had a lot more work than we were going to, but that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Got the first gen out. He barely had to push it out of the garage for it to work, so. Hope the AC in this thing is mint. But we're about to take this for a drive, so you'll see that in next video. And all the work that we're about to do to it, so. Stick around, you're gonna love to see what we're doing with this thing. Don't forget to leave a dislike, hate comment, and unsubscribe. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.